All right, setting active track up. I was getting caught on my bike. All right, we want this thing to follow me. It's currently not following me. Let's see if we can set it up again. We'll get it back over here. Active track. So I was currently using the spotlight. So let's use trace instead. Let's turn it on. Let's not turn it on fast yet. But it seems like every time active track. All right, it says go, so I'm gonna go. So it's not following me again. I'm gonna try to push it along here. So this is what I was afraid of. That it wouldn't. So it says go again. We're gonna try this again. Nope, lost me again. All right, it says go again, so I'm gonna try to go. Yeah, it's not doing it. So let's try something else here. Yeah, we're in active track. It's drawing a square over me. It says go. Then it loses me. All right. No, I just clicked on myself. All right, I think it's finally got me. It's following me. All right, I'm pushing it around me. Try to get a side view. It's pretty low, so it's trying to miss things. All right, now it's back on center. All right, coming into some trees and stuff, so we'll see if it runs into anything. Hopefully not. Still coming. Oh. Lost me. Trying to get lower. All right, there I am. Let's try to lower it a little bit. All right, let's try to switch this back to spotlight. Zoom it in a little bit. Go down. I'm gonna click on me because I think that's the thing that I've been missing. And then we're gonna go. So it didn't. It stopped. So it's not following me. I'm not sure why. I'm gonna push this through here. There it is. Raise it up a little bit. Click on me again. All right, let's actually switch this to trace, because all right, trace seems to be the method that I want. All right, now I'm going. Looks like it's following me. This is gonna get a bit hairy. It's going really low. I'm surprised it didn't hit anything. All right, there's trees now, as you can see. More trees. Oh, it got me. More trees. Let's see what it does. Don't crash. All right, I think it's too close to things, so I'm gonna have to go back. Doesn't actually look like it's just beeping, but it doesn't actually look like there's a problem. It's just about to run into something. All right, we're just gonna move this to the left. See me? Now follow me. Up close and personal. All right, let's go. I want to see how fast it can keep up with me. Right now I'm going 10 miles an hour, 11. It's pretty on top of me right now. We're gonna get into some open field here, so it's pretty low, so it's having a little bit of trouble. All right, I want it to pan around me, so I'm gonna use this little thing in the middle here. Have it go around. Little profile shot. All right, what I'm gonna do is bring it up a little bit higher, because it seems to be running into some issues. When it's very low, I'm gonna try to zoom it in so it can get me real good. So that's high. I don't think it's gonna run into any trees, so let's continue this. And a storm's coming in, so I'm gonna try to beat it, but come on, buddy. Looks like it's fallen really far behind for some reason. Not sure why. It's not running into any problems. So I'm gonna get it back over here. So it's complaining that it's too low still, so I'm gonna fly it a little bit higher. So as you can see, up ahead of me is a pretty good area. I'm gonna zoom it in as close to me as possible. Click on me there. Now let's try to make it go around me. Yep, come on, come on. All right, let's go. Can barely even see it. Come on, buddy. Let's see what you got. All right, going 13, 14 miles an hour. Seems to be doing a decent job. And this is only following me. I don't think it can do much if it's trying to, like if it's ahead of me. All right, so it seems fine at 13. I'm gonna take it up a notch. Let's try to go 20. Little beep there. All right, we're going 18. Seems to be a little bit slower. It can go on a fast mode, but then obstacle avoidance goes out the door. And I don't know if anybody actually wants to fly with that. So it gets a little hairy over here. It's gonna be a tree or so in the way. So it's already pre-moving out of the way, so that's good. But here's a tree on the left side here. Let's see what it does. Looks like it's going to the left of it, so that's good. Didn't hit anything, so. Oop, I think it hit something. Oh, oop. Oh, it actually went around it. Crap. Still there. All right, we're gonna go back for it, and then I'm surprised it's still flying, quite honestly. But we're gonna go back now. All right, so it's still got me. So I wonder if it's gonna keep tracking me. That was an interesting flight pattern. All right, let's see if it can follow me now. Yeah, I think it's pretty stuck where it is right now. I'm gonna go back for it. All right, so this time around, I'm gonna try to fly it all the way on the outside. I'm gonna try to fly it pretty far out, see if it can be fine. So it's about maybe 20, 30 feet away. Okay, so, and I'm gonna try to, there I am. Got me. All right, let's try to switch it actually to profile. Let's see how it can do profile-wise. And let's go. Pretty good shot. But again, let's see how quick it can go. These things can go up to like 35 miles an hour as I understand, but right now it's marked on slow, so we're going about 13, going up a hill. So let's try to boost it up a little bit. 16, gonna go back down a hill, so it's still sticking with me. 17. 18, 19, 20. Still keeping up. That's good. Let's see how fast it can go. Let's see how fast I can go. Geez. 20, 21. Still good. Down a hill. 22. That's my biggest gear. Pretty good. Open area is pretty good. All right, we're gonna go left. Gonna go back into this hairy treeness. So it'll probably lose me again, but we'll see how it does this time. Bridge. Ooh, got hit, fell down. All right, hopefully it's okay. Oh, jeez. There's gonna be a heck to try to find where it is. There's a storm coming. I gotta get back home. All right, I think it was on the left side, but I can't really tell. I'm gonna turn off the recording. It doesn't look like it's in the water. If I can make it make a noise for me, that would be great. Let's actually zoom out. Okay, so it's clearly upside down. It's hard to tell. I'm gonna have to go digging. Trying to follow the GPS signal on the phone here. Oh, there it is. I found it. It's across on the other side. It almost hit the water. All right, we're on a quest to find this thing. I found it. Now I'm trying to retrieve it because it crashed. You hear it over here. There we go. It looks pretty roughed up. One propeller is gone. I'm gonna pick that up here. It's like dug into the ground. It's actually broken, so I'm just gonna pick that up and then go. So here's the patient. Don't know how the gimbal is, but it seems to be functioning. I saw a preview of what this thing was doing, so I'm gonna actually power it down. But, oh no, don't thunderstorm on me now. So, I don't know if the gimbal's screwed up. Hopefully not, that's like the main part of this. But, just one of the propellers is broken and then it shoved its face into the mud. Everything else seems to be fine. Like no broken glass or anything like that. So, we might be able to just to repair that and see what happens, but I think it's enough drone flying for today. And there's our broken propeller right there, and sort of the close-up of the broken propeller right there. Yeah, we're not going to check and test it out right now. Okay, so just from looking at the patient, it looks like it's pretty freaking beat up. The propeller is kind of like it's not spinning with ease now. It used to spin like very easily. It's sort of the motor that actually spins the propeller around. So I think I'm going to have to clean it up and hopefully it's still functioning. If it's not, that's a like a $1,200 drone run-in. So luckily it was recording and I got the footage, but again, not really something that you want to do. Not really, like that's basically what I bought this drone for, is so that I hopefully can get footage of it following me. But maybe in the future I'll just do nice landscape shots only and not trace the active track or anything like that.